Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So in this video, I'll be showing you all a website where you can earn money by doing data entry, administrative work, bookkeeping, IT development, customer support, content writing, account services, research, translation services, transcribing services, and much more. So without any drag, I'll start off with the video. And here, this is the website, guys. Capital typing, as the name suggests, this website was actually formed for providing content writing services, but then with years they have actually developed and branched out to virtual assistants and other outsourcing jobs. So not only content writing, now they have so many jobs available here. And here, as other websites, to get started off, you just need a computer and a internet connection. That is very mandatory. I consider that if you are watching this video, you should be having an internet connection. So other than that, you just need a laptop or a computer. Then you are all set to get started off with this website. And this website is also very similar to other freelance marketplaces, because once you have uploaded your resume and other details, you have to apply on each jobs that are listed in this website, from where the client will actually decide upon to whom he has to provide that job and to whom he has to offer it. He will decide that and he will grant that contract to you if you are qualified for that job, for that specific job that you have applied for. And then you will get started off by working and get paid, and which will be taken off from there by the client. So here, as you can see on the screen, these are all the available jobs that you can see without logging in. So after creating your profile and logging in, you can see more. But before looking on to that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, I haven't logged into this website yet, so I'll be showing you how it will be looking like in the job section. In the job zone, you will be able to see different varieties of job, where I have chosen a content writing job. Here you can see this is very similar, guys, as far as I know. As far as I have seen a lot of freelance marketplaces, this is how they will be listing out what the job qualifications are and what they require in that job and what type of job is it, and the details of it. So here, this job is actually it can be full-time or part-time, and it has flexible hours and competitive salary. Salary will be actually discussed by the client only, so you cannot see salary, unlike other websites where freelancer.com and all can be showing you the cost and the rate of the project before even you start off with it. So here you cannot see that after applying, after the client actually decides upon you whether he can hire you or not, then only you will be able to discuss with him about the salary and other requirements. So as you can see, there are so many different categories available, guys. So many services they are providing. So I think you can just try this one out if you are looking out for various jobs and various data entry positions that you really want to work from home. If you really wanted to do a part-time job, you can just try here. Even full-time jobs are available, but then if you are looking out for part-time jobs that you can do from online, you can just try this website out. And a good thing about this website is that, unlike other websites where you can see on freelancer.com, they will be having and they will be imposing you to at least take up a subscription plan or a pro plan to in order to get into the jobs in a greater level and to get mentioned among the crowd. So here you don't have such things like subscription plans and all. You just have to log in. Everything is completely free. You just have to log in and keep applying. If the client is impressed with your resume and other details, he will be contacting you. So here you can just start off as an independent contractor immediately after signing up. You don't have any screening or anything unless and until you just click on apply for any job. So yeah, guys, that's all about the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, please comment it below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.